Something on your mind, I feel it every time I'm with you. I met a new friend today. We were talking. I love nature. Speaking of nature, let me show you how much I love food from nature with these vegan tacos. But hold on, can y'all believe my puppies fell? Look at this. It was pretty though. I had to get that aesthetic real quick, but yeah, I need that out the way because that couch is little. Okay, so back to the food. I wanted mango salsa, so this is my first time making it and I needed mangoes. And I love when I first go to the grocery store because the fridge be on jam mode, everything fresh. You know I got everything I need. When I look at this, all I see is goodness, love, energy, happiness, health, and wholeness. I have to keep some chickpeas on deck ready, soaked, always.
They broke. So go get another one. Well, we don't need one, do we?
Yes, we do.
Damn, that was my last one.
So I came up with the idea to make 3 different tacos for 3 different tastes that I had. And plant-based is the way to go. So I knew I wanted to make my slaw from scratch because everything tastes better from scratch, right? So here's the list for that. Please tell me what's better than making something from scratch. Exactly, and moving on. And for my sauce for my jackfruit that will go in this taco, here is the list for that. One way to know some food was made for you, designed for you, meant for you, it's alive, colorful, fragrant. You know, it's attractive. You don't have to cook it unless you want, stuff like that. My second taco is gonna be a crispy veggie taco. So it's gonna have fried veggie strips. And I'm using my wet and dry batter that I used in another video. I'll include the link. Shredded zucchini that is raw. And if you want to make a chipotle sauce, go ahead and YouTube chipotle vegan sauce and hit search. I do not have a personal recipe for that. Maybe soon. I couldn't do these 3 style tacos without cilantro and onion. My third and final taco is going to be a roasted chickpea taco. Why are we still buying vegetable oil and canola oil? We have avocado oil, grapeseed oil, sesame oil, toasted sesame oil, toasted walnut oil. I mean, the list goes on. I'm not your mama. I'm just saying there's too many healthier options out there for us to keep buying the same thing. So, okay, I had to say it. And that was to let you know. Free gold. I tell you I love you, so I have to show you. Act like it, think like it, walk like it, speak like it. So I'm not just saying it, you can feel it. I know this slaw about to be crazy. It's my first time making this homemade, but I wanted it. I had a taste for something very good and different. Honestly, like something I would order out, but right here at home, which is even better. Mango salsa coming right up. This is also my first time making this. I'm gonna fast forward real quick because after tasting it, I cannot believe that I have not been making this. And I know I say that a lot, but there's so many good foods out there and I want to make them all. I want to try everything plant-based.
Somebody come and look at this.
Directly from Mother Earth. If you don't know what plant-based means, it means it was a plant at one point in time. Avocados are, oh my gosh. Okay, I had to have a moment of silence. Those avocados were beautiful that I picked this time. The grape tomatoes we grew in our garden last season, oh my God, we were eating them literally right after we picked them. And before you think anything crazy or mean, God made dirt and dirt don't hurt. Duh. Hello, where you been at? I don't even want to get started on some of the things I used to eat. And people are scared of dirt. I don't even want to talk about it. I'll leave it at this. Animals are friends. Body parts are not food. Thanks for coming to my love talk. Having your body full of oil isn't the best idea, so even though I have healthier choices to fry things with, I still try not to fry stuff often. Ooh, gee Wally Wally, these about to bang bang. Let me hurry up. This is not a cooking show or a tutorial. You know that. You know this. This is inspiration. Say it with me, my baby. I love you. If I can make something, you know you can. And honestly, if that's not your mentality in everyday life, please tell me, where is your mentality? What is it? Actually, just tell yourself. Reflect on it and get back to you. You don't have to be fancy when you eat, but sometimes I like to. So I'm gonna cut this little corner off and go ahead and do a little drizzle. Look at that. It's pretty. The main thing I love about cooking, if I'm going to eat foods that are not raw, is the presentation. And I don't care what you like to eat. I'm here to knock out that idea that vegans have to starve. There are so many fruits that I don't even know the name of, vegetables I never seen. Get hip. The better you feed yourself, the better you feel, look, and the better you think. The better we think, the better we connect with each other. We are here to create, love, embrace, inspire. Those are the things that we should be about.
Memphis, to
we
people
are
all across this nation, enough is enough.
And everybody needs to say it to understand.
You know what I'm saying? It's like you hungry. You reached your level. You don't want any more.
Love heals everything, and that we are one. Love is the answer.
To me, I'm just getting to know me. And you know what? Anything that's not growing is dead.